What is that?
Watch! Asa na? Oh, sige.
It's your new phone.
Look at me. Let me see your face. Hala!
It's your new phone.
You're not... Okay, let me see your face. Hala!
What is this?
What do you think?
What is this big one?
Hala, what do you think?
Oh, look at this big one. What big one is this? It's... What is this big one?
What do you think?
It's an iPod. Thank you, Ninongs.
Ninang.
Ninong.
Nicel.
Thank you, Ninong.
Ninang Eda.
Thank you, Ninong Eda.
Ninang Catherine.
Thank you, Ninong Catherine.
Daddy Callboy.
Daddy Callboy.
And Mommy Chill.
Mommy Jill.
And Kuya Chimon.
And Kuya Chillon.
Smile. Smile. Again. Wait. Smile. Okay. Let's open your gift.
Where's the pile up scissors? Oh no, my hands are dirty again. You spilled alcohol
It's
on
okay.
me.
Sige, you rub. Wait. Wait. Be careful, huh? Wait.
I see that. I see that.
Ouchie.
I see that. So breaking. Did you say ouchie?
Hawa, sabi mo. Oh.
So look around I see.
Okay. Okay. But what's inside? You go.
Whoa!
Here. Right here.
Hello, it's the pair of scissors.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Let's open it.
This is from
Shopee.
and who give this to you? Your
My aunt. My Shopee.
aunties,
My
your ninangs. Oh,
Thank you for my gift.
I will do
How is it?
the unboxing.
The unboxing.
Here first.
To spray Uncle Tool.
Here's your alcohol.
How about your hands?
And
I'll unspray my present.
I'll do this.
Next, the pile up scissors.
Here's your Caesar. Oh, what happened, Ruby?
What happened?
It's broken. Wait,
Who broke it?
I don't know. Wait.
I'm fine, Mother.
Smile. Smile. Again. Wait. Smile. Okay. Let's open your gift.
Where's the pile up scissors? Oh no, my hands are dirty again. You spilled alcohol on
Okay.
me.
Sige, you rub. Wait. Wait. Be careful, huh? Wait.
I see that. I see that.
Ouchie.
I see that. So breaking. Did you say ouchie?
How sabi mo? Oh,
So look around, I think.
okay. Okay. But what's inside? Here you go.
Whoa!
Here. Look here. Open it.
What is that? What is that?
Tapos wait lang ha, na. What's that, Rubies?
What
What's
is
inside? Look. What's inside?
Mommy, what is they?
I don't know. Oh, here we go. Open it. What is your gift? Wait. Wait. Hindi na makita. Wait. Okay, open it.
What is this?
Open. Find it out. Hi, tabang.
Sorry, Mom Lover. Are you undressed or not?
Interested?
You're not undressed, but you're happy.
Okay. Stressed?
Are you stressed or not stressed?
Not. You make me stressed. Kaya nakagbong.
So good.
Sige, find it out. So wait.
Another package.
Oh, look. Here.
What is that? What is that?
Oh, sige.
It's your new phone.
Look at me. Let me see your face. Hala.
It's your new phone.
You're not me.
It's my phone.
Hala. Oh. Okay, let me see your face. Hala.
What is this?
What do you think?
What is this big one?
Hala, what do you think?
Oh, look at this big one. What big one is this? It's. What is this big one?
What do you think?
It's an iPod.
Okay. And what do you want to say again to your ninangs?
Thank you, Ninangs.
Ninang.
Ninang.
Nicel.
Thank you, Ninang Sel.
Ninang Edda.
Thank you, Ninang Eda.
And Ninang Catherine.
Thank you, Ninang Catherine.
Daddy Callboy.
Daddy Callboy.
And Mommy Jill.
Mommy Jill.
And Kuya Chimon.
And Queen Chillon. I love you all. I like my gifts.
Are you happy or not?
Happy.
You have
Mama.
your new, what do you call this one?
iPod. My new phone.
Hello, you have your new iPad na yun.
Is this big?
What do you think?
It's big. Mommy, where's the button?
Oh, you turn it on.
What do you do? What do you do?
Let's turn it on. Hello. Show to the video. Show to the video. If it's working or not.
Working.
What's that? Your new?
What is that?
iPod.
Is that an iPod?
Yeah. And it's a new phone.
Phone, new phone.
Sure?
What is that again? Your new?
Phone.
And your new?
iPod.
Who gave it to you?
Who gave it to you?
It's 9 in the
Who gave it to you? Your?
My 9.
No. Ninangs lagi.
Who are they?
Ninangs.
Oh, be, again.
Who are they?
Mami
What game is this? This is fun.
Hello?
Still lang.
This is a fun game.
Pag mo
This what game this?
No, it's not for gaming, ha? It's for your educational. Kuan, sa tawagan na?
It's your
Mommy,
Educational
let's
purposes only.
Mommy,
Okay. So you close the kuan sa first your kanang kuan unboxing. Say.
Mommy, I can't do
So
this.
you close it sa first. Thank you. Sige na. 1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you.
Here. I see here.
Thank you. Ninangs.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below.
See you again.
See you again.
You say,
Ma-
mwah, kiss.
I'm a kiss in the lip.
Hala. Okay. Agay!
Kabalo, di ka mo palanay ba?
Mommy.